What is going on, everybody? Seeker B here from On-Chain Breaks, and today we got 2023 Panini Select Baseball Hobby Box. This just came out with a nice little retail price of $149 US. You're going to get 2 autographs per box, 2 memorabilia cards, looking for some holo cards, prisms, tricolor, and much more. And you get 5 cards per pack, and you get 12 packs per box. Shout out to the OCM DAO for supporting this channel. And if you do like or want to know more about what they are, go to onchainmonkey.com and see what they're doing in Web3. And of course, if you like the content here, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow, gives us a lot more chance to do some giveaways. We are going to be doing a couple more later. And you know what time it is. It's time to
grip it and rip it.
Let's get into it. This one just came out the other day. This is my first baseball box that we're going to be doing, so hopefully it treats us well. All right. Baseball playoffs are happening right now. Unfortunately, the Jays got knocked out, but you know, it is what it is. They need help. They had a pretty bad, coaching move, I would say. Taking out your pitcher to where he's playing amazing, when he's just, I can't even talk about it. But we're just going to pull all the cards out here. We are a little limited on space. You know how it is sometimes. They do not have the licensing with MLB PA on this product, which is the one unfortunate thing. But, yeah, it is what it is. So, you guys can watch me struggle with the box. Keep that just to have as a background wall at some point. Put them to the side and let's see if we can pull some magic. Last hobby box we opened was Chronicles. Was pretty decent in my opinion. Was a pretty nice rip. Select has been up and down for when it comes to basketball. So, and right up the top, we got some Coach. Got Frank Thomas. Rookie Revolutions. Cool looking card. And good old Cal Ripken. This pack feels like it's a little thicker, so I wonder if it's a spacer or if this is maybe our mem card. Tony La Russa. Owen White. Ricky Henderson. Masataka Yoshida. Cool looking card. And we got Justin Crawford. You get 12 packs, 5 cards per pack in this box. I did miss out on the first off the line, which I believe you get four autos and 2 memorabilia. This looks like a fun looking card. The tricolor, Tyler Gentry, not numbered. And we got numbers of Pete Rose. It's a cool looking insert card. I want that Ken Griffey, I'm not going to lie. Ken Griffey would be pretty sweet to pull his auto. One of my favorite baseball players growing up. This pack doesn't want to come out. Still getting used to, what you can get in all these, so I kind of cheat, but I don't even really know what I'm looking for. So, Killebrew. Bush, looks like on the silver. That's a cool Revolutions of Zach Veen and Jeff Bagwell. Is it silver on that? Looks like not numbered, but a cool looking card. Colorado. Oh man, these packs are not the easiest to break off. Gosage. Speaking of Ken Griffey, we got a Ken Griffey. Nice, not numbered, but I'll take that. It's a nice looking card. Jordan Walker, I'm looking, here is Youth Explosion. And then we got Carson Williams. Sleeve this up real quick. Oh, I need a thicker sleeve, so I'm just going to put that over to the side. So that's our first auto. We got our men, so we got one auto to go. I'll have to look up if that guy is any good in the prospect area. Oh, looks like a filler. Morris. Ooh, that's a cool looking one here. And we got another one right behind it. Numbered to 75, AJ Smith-Shawver. And then El Fuego. Oh, we got his... Is that numbered? Nope. Well, we got a mem from him. Quinn, whatever his name is. Still one more auto to go. Got a cool Ken Griffey, but we want more. We want more. You know? Looks like another filler. Drew Jones. Snelling. Okay. This is to 10. I hope this guy is good. Adele Abayor. I hope he's good. Because when you get anything to 10, you know, and we got a Carlos Baerga. Look at this. Signature swatches. 5 out of 10. Don't have any sleeves on me right now, so I'm just going to put that to the side. It's always nice when you get low numbered cards. You know, you want to hope for the best. Hope that they're good. Zimmerman, Crawford. Okay. Hello, Mr. David Ortiz. Not numbered. Nice little action there. Round 1, pick 3 draft selections. Not numbered. And then Al Simmons. 4 more packs to go. Oh, it looks like we got a cool card coming up. Steve Carlton. I didn't see it. I think it was Texas. Rafael Palmeiro. And did we get something else? Oh, do you get 2 mems? Maybe you get 2 mems. Rookie card. Jason Dominguez. Thought it was one mem, but maybe Panini did us something cool here. To where we got an extra one. Well, I'm not too sure, but thanks, Panini. Or maybe not. Maybe it is 2 and 2. Miller. Rice. Hello, Pete Rose. It's a cool little card of Pete. Numbered to 25. Pete Rose to 25. And Unstoppable. There you go. Wow. Well, I guess I just wanted his card twice. Second last pack. Can we get second last pack magic? Willie Stargell. Mace Win. Vladimir Guerrero. These are not numbered. Barry Larkin. And last pack of the break. Palmeiro. Davis. Ben Sheets. Not numbered. And the last two. Jason Ferris. Well, if I look at our hits, we got Pete Rose to 25. Gorgeous card. We got the signature swatches to 10. Adele Amador. We got Jason Dominguez. And we got the Youth Explosion of Jordan Walker. I don't know too much about the rookies in baseball, but I'm definitely going to have to check those all out. I'm hoping that that Adele Amador is going to be a good player, because getting anything at 10 is pretty cool. But I would say for what you get in this product, I'd say it's a solid 7, 7.5 for the price point. Can't really complain. And I also got a Griffey as well too, which, you know, that's a bonus right there. So until next time, this is Seeker B from On-Chain Breaks. Make sure to like and subscribe so we can do more content like this for all of you guys. And at the end of the day, I'm out. Peace.